Five-time Olympic champion Elaine Thompson-Herah clocked a season's best 7.08 seconds to win the women's 60-meter event at the Muller Indoor Grand Prix in Birmingham, England today. Thompson-Herah won ahead of Daryl Nita of Great Britain in 7.11 and Mujinga Kambunji of Switzerland finishing third in 7.13 seconds.
No issues with the start. Thompson-Herah with Kambunji on her inside. Smith Barnett in the red going as well. Thompson-Herah starting to come through now. Took Nita with her. Just outside 7 seconds for Elaine Thompson-Herah, but comes through to take the win.
World Championships bronze medalist Stephanie Ann McPherson was the other Jamaican winner on the day, taking the 400 meters in a personal best 51.39 seconds ahead of Lieke Klaver of the Netherlands 51.49 and Poland's Justyna Sweetie Ersatic 52.09. Another Jamaican, Ranisha McGregor, finished fourth in 52.32 seconds, with compatriot Genevieve Russell sixth in 52.53.